Welcome to SME-Hype, your #1 spot for entrepreneurs. My name is Lucia. If this is your first time on our channel, you are welcome. Our video will provide you with the right information to help you grow your business and create wealth. If you're new and have not subscribed, why not? Hit the subscribe button, and you can always change your mind. Now, let's talk about solving a specific problem for your customers. Businesses strive to be current and inventive, and they frequently seek inspiration from other successful companies, hot industry trends, or new flashy goods. However, a critical component of growth is right at the fingertips of any business: its consumers. Customers, indeed, have the power to influence the life and growth of your company. As they spread the word in their social networks, happy consumers result in greater retention rates, lifetime value, and brand reach. A customer need is a motivation that leads a consumer to purchase a product or service. Finally, the necessity drives the customer's purchasing choice. Customers' needs are frequently viewed by businesses as an opportunity to resolve or provide surplus value back to the initial motivation. The first stage in determining customer requirements is to do a customer needs analysis that considers all of the following factors: product market fit, customer feedback, input from your service staff, and any customer service data you can obtain. From there, you'll be able to discover client demands, as well as any friction in your process. By this, you are already on your way to solving a specific problem for your customers. 2. How to solve for customer needs. The first step in solving for your consumers is to put yourself in their shoes. What would impede you from getting ultimate value if you were the customer when you purchased your items, used your technology, or signed up for your services? Your customer requirements analysis is an excellent beginning point for getting inside your client's head, particularly when it comes to finding frequent pain areas. You may then create a proactive plan to execute your customer-first principles across the client lifetime. Here are some pointers on how to go about solving a specific problem for your customers. 3. Provide consistent messages throughout the organization. Customers are frequently caught up in the he said, she said game when they are informed that a product can accomplish one thing from sales and another from support and product. Customers are eventually confused and get the impression that the firm is unorganized. One of the most important stages toward a customer-focused attitude is consistent internal communication across all departments. If everyone in the organization understands the company's aims, values, product, and service capabilities, the messaging will readily translate to suit the needs of the consumer. Organize sales and customer service meetings. Send out new product mailings, give thorough new employee onboarding, demand quarterly trainings and seminars, or have employees present webinars to highlight significant initiatives to keep everyone on the same page. 4. Provide step-by-step guidelines for simple adoption. This will also help in solving a specific problem for your customers. Customers buy products because they believe they will fulfill their wants and solve their problems. However, the phases of adoption preparation are not always obvious. If optimal practices aren't stated from the start and they don't see value straight away, regaining their trust and undoing poor behaviors will be difficult. A well-planned post-purchase strategy will make your items or services usable and helpful. Companies may capture the attention of their consumers by offering in-product and email walkthroughs and instructions as soon as the user receives a payment confirmation. This reduces the amount of uncertainty, technical inquiries, and diversions from the first post-purchase pleasure. A customer education guide or knowledge base is required to ensure appropriate customer adoption and to avoid the floundering effect when consumers become stuck. Other businesses provide new client onboarding services, hold live demos and webinars, and put event and promotion information in their email signatures. Final thoughts. In concluding the topic solving a specific problem for your customers, problem resolution necessitates considerations other than those addressed by the above steps method. When you've recognized the problem, You may occasionally rely on a known solution or a mix of known solutions. At times, no obvious answer is clear. In this scenario, you may need to do a business case study to evaluate whether developing a solution will be lucrative for your firm. This involves inquiring about what may be required in designing the solution, how long the process would take, and how well your firm is equipped to execute the task. The problems get increasingly complex, but the problem-solving process may also become more gratifying. You may need to draw on the expertise you've gained through tackling similar or even unrelated challenges, as well as knowledge in your organization. You may need to hire someone to conduct research and develop a solution from scratch, which can be expensive, or you may be able to locate a partner that already has the answer you want. You'll need to think beyond the box. Making the decision to build solutions and drive them across the company is part of what distinguishes outstanding sales executives. We hope you have learned something new today from this video. Please feel free to like our video as it helps you to show it to other people who might be interested in this topic. You can also share and leave a comment. Until next time, I am Lucia. Cheers, and have a good one.
It's about the journey.